What are you doing right there? Oh, was around front. Get on the boat down there. Come here. That squirrel's shy. Who did this? Who moved that right there? Who pushed this here just about off the boat? Was that you? Was that you? Was that you? Oh, hide, old pop and go, the old pop and go. Come here. What I got is these peanuts. These are peanuts in the shell. I was gonna try to open it up. One-handed. Whoa, pop go to weasel. Squirrel. Pop go to weasel, squirrel. Pop go to weasel. Oh, squirrel. I'm gonna bust this big one here up. Come on. Okay, what I got down here is peanuts. I'm gonna hit them hard. I crack them like that. And the reason I did that was so they won't roll. They won't roll off the table. Come back up right now. And old popping goes right there. You ready for me to back up? You ready? Okay, here I go. That's a small squirrel. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out. That's a very small squirrel right there. Tell you what, he's coming on down quick though. Come on down quick though. I told that squirrel, come on down quick though. Uh-oh, here's a bird. Here's a cardinal. Cardinal. A male cardinal. Pecan. He got him something gone. Come on, squirrel. You coming? Come on. I'm not going to go any further back in the house. I'm going to tell you right now. I'm not going to go inside and shut the door. You might as well bring your butt in on around that tree, squirrel. You might as well bring your butt in on around that tree, squirrel. Get some of them pecans. Peanuts. There's peanuts in the shell. Peanuts on the half shell. Ooh, peanuts on the half shell. Ooh, I love oysters. I love oysters on the half shell. When I was growing up, we had a shrimp boat. When I was 12 years old, I had my own aluminum boat with my own boat and motor. My daddy gave me and my little brother a boat and motor when I was 12. Peanuts. You don't know what that is. Look at him. Peanut. Look at him. He don't know what that peanut is. He talking about, what the hell are you trying to do to me? He don't know what them things is. What do you want? There's no pecans over here. There's peanuts. He didn't like peanut. He didn't like peanut. He wanted pecans. He wants pecans. He gonna stomp his foot. He gonna stomp his foot. Nope, he stomped his foot. He's mad now. I'm gonna hold on to this video for 1 minute. I'm gonna go inside and get some pecans. Hold on. Yo, hold on. I'm gonna go to the pecans. Lightning bug. Okay. Okay, here we go. Come on. Come here. Come here, hurry up, come here. Hurry up, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Look where the squirrels. That is where the squirrels had eaten my fence up. Squirrels that eat my fence up. Oh man, it hurts my eyes to do that. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna put this one big pecan right here. Small ones for the birds. I can hear the blue jays. Come on down. Come on. Come on down. I'm backed up over here on the other side of the football field right now. I'm on the other side of the football field right now. Come on. Come on. I can see you right there. There's a woodpecker right there. Mrs. Woodpecker. There's that squirrel. Here comes the squirrel. There's a brown squirrel. He wanted that pecan. He went for the pecans. And there's a female woodpecker. And I think that other one might be the a brown thresher. A brown thresher. Is that what that bird called, a brown thresher? That bird down there. Is that a brown thresher? There's a woodpecker right here. There's a squirrel. Hold on. There's a squirrel. Here's a woodpecker. There's a woodpecker. Okay, here we go right here. Here's a blue jay. Now that brown thresher, he's still looking over there looking. I think that's a brown thresher. Here comes another squirrel. Right across from the squirrel is a woodpecker now. Woodpecker looking, see the woodpecker going around the corner? He's looking at that squirrel. Squirrel coming around the bottom. Woodpecker going around looking at the squirrel. Squirrel coming on down. Squirrel on the boat. Everybody wanting pecans and oh, you get all of it? That one squirrel right there. He eat all the pecans. I'm gonna stop this video. There's two squirrels, one on the other side. There they are. You can see them right there. That's Skinny right there. His tail don't have any fur. I'm gonna stop this video. I'm gonna go get some more pecans for Skinny. Stop this video. Stop.